Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. Show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something splendid and not normally seen unless it's out everywhere now. This is Samyang Foods Buldak Basil Cream from South Korea. And what's interesting about this sucker is it comes with a trivet, but it also comes with an udon. Look at that. It has 2 sachets, a liquid which goes in first, and then this powder that goes in second. So it is time to commence. It's also, I believe, the only thing I saw on here were microwave instructions. 1,000-watt microwave instructions, I might add. So what you do is you take this here udon and you stick it in the bowl here. See that? It's in the bowl. Kind of push down a little bit with your thumb. What she got? Oh, okay, good. Have to keep an eye out on the old dog, you know, because she doesn't always just get a toy. She gets things that she oughtn't have. So basil and cream. This should be interesting. Here's our standard Buldak sauce, I believe. I don't think this is going to be a spicy one. It smells good. And then we need 90 mils of water. A pro tip for you people who have or have had or whatever. Those of you who have had to take care of small children, don't get rid of these bottles. At least save one. Don't give them all away. Because this requires 90 mils of water. Look at that. Graduated amounts in milliliters, 10 at a time. It's great. So it wants 90 mils of water going on in. From what I got of this, you rest the lid loosely on the container and you microwave for 2.5 minutes at 1,000 watts. So this is a 1250 watt microwave. I'm slapping it in there. I'm setting it for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. And I'm setting the power level to 70, as that's the safest way to go. And here we go. Yes. And then when it's done, you put in the dry sachet and stir it up. Now, I think the kids would like to be part of the show, so Miles, would you come over here and say hello to the nice people? They're right there.
Hi, nice people.
Yeah, so how you doing?
Doing good at typing.
Remember, don't look at the monitor, look at the camera, because that's where they're looking to see you, right?
Right.
So you do a show called Explore TV, right?
Right.
Tell me about that.
It was like PBS NewsHour.
Okay, so how does that show go? Like do an intro for the Explore TV.
So the intro of the Explore TV is how to get kids from school and to breaking news on Mondays.
Ah, I see. So, and then you have like the total intro where you're like, this episode of Explore TV was brought to you by. So do that part.
I don't know what to do.
Are you getting stage fright?
Yeah.
You can do it. Just close your eyes and say the thing.
Okay.
Well, you go think about it. You do really good. Miles does a lot of writing copy and doing videos with his tablet. He's a pro.
Yeah.
You're going to be a YouTube executive pretty soon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll be in third grade pretty soon.
Yeah, you will.
And some more.
All right, well, let's give Mimi a turn. Good job, buddy.
Mimi, the next partner.
Okay, so how you doing?
Good.
Good. Do you have something new to show people?
Yeah.
What do you got?
Earrings.
You have holes in your head. You got earrings. Wow, that's fancy. Was it scary?
It hurts it a lot.
Yeah. Remember, don't look at this. Look at the camera.
And at the mall, I got some cotton candy.
Yeah, you did.
Bunny cotton candy.
Bunny cotton candy.
But it was starting to melt.
Yeah. Well, you gotta. I don't know. Lots of cotton candy out there. Well, I gotta stir up my noodles, but I'll have you guys back on for the when I do the eating show. Okay?
Okay.
I love you. Have fun. All right, let's do this. Here we go. Ooh, this is hot. Oh my. How am I supposed to get this thing out of here? Oh, boy. Ow! See, it's not fair, folks. I don't even know how to. Oh my god. My god. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yow! Well, on the bright side, it's not living all over the bottom of the microwave. It looks like it did pretty good. Oh, damn. Okay, I need a fork. That's boiling hot, as you can see by the evocation of the magic. So here's what we got in here. That's not bad. So we'll stir this up a bit. The udon, yeah, it definitely needs a little coaxing to loose itself up. I'm not getting like, you would think if you had like Buldak sauce just like really hot and steaming, it would be like making my nose just go crazy and drip already. Not so much here. No, it just smells kind of like a tomato sauce, really. I don't think this is going to end up being like anywhere near a 3X, a 1X, a half X. I think this might be like a quarter X. And then here comes our creamy, yeah, this must be the basil, creamy basil sauce. See the evidence of a couple little bits in there. So hopefully this will thicken upon standing or something. That smells lovely. It's not too bad. I think the whole thing's like 360 calories, so I'll have this and I'll have dinner and that'll probably be that. Maybe I'll have a small bag of popcorn as well. I don't know why I feel like I need to like share with everybody my eating habits, but I don't know. I'm like doing the hardcore diet and exercise routine, so yeah. All right. And as you probably guessed already, I will not be eating this on this show. It will be on the next episode of Professional Mukbang, the mukbang show where I don't freak out and jump around like a bunch of weirdos do on YouTube, whether it's spicy or not, just to get clicks and likes. If it's spicy, you're going to know from my reaction, or at least if I think it's spicy. Because I think that's shady. Oh my god, it's so spicy, I can't take it. It's like, dude, I've seen you eat spicier stuff and you're just having like a big ol' weird fest here. I really don't have much else to put on this. I do have some spring onion and I think I'll use a little of that. I really thought I was going to do more reviews recently, but I've just been so busy with the hwalking. So there we are. So let's let the Rotato take over in the way that it does. Come on, Rotato, do your thing, do your stuff. And yeah, I'll be back. Don't worry. All right, that's it for me. The next episode you'll see will be an episode of Professional Mukbang. So with that, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. And do what you do in the way that you do it. All right, have a good one. Bye-bye.